Have you ever wondered what it was like when humans first stepped foot on the moon? It's a question that invites us back to a time of unprecedented anticipation and excitement. Picture this. The year is 1969, and the world is on the cusp of witnessing a monumental feat in human history. The stage was set on July 16th. The anticipation was tangible, almost electric, as people across the globe tuned in to witness the launch of Apollo 11. This was no ordinary space mission. This was the moment that the United States, and indeed the world, had been waiting for. The quest to conquer the final frontier was about to begin. Central to the success of this mission was the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built. Towering over the launch site at a staggering 364 feet tall, the Saturn V was a marvel of human engineering. Its roar upon ignition was a symphony of power and precision, a testament to the countless hours of work and dedication poured into this mission by the devoted team at NASA. At the heart of this grand endeavor were three men: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. These astronauts were more than just passengers on this journey. They were pioneers, preparing to tread where no human had ever set foot before. Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins were not just names. They were the embodiment of human courage and determination, ready to venture into the unknown for the sake of knowledge and exploration. As the countdown echoed through the control room and the Saturn V rocket ignited, the world held its breath. The sheer might of the rocket propelled the spacecraft upward, tearing through the Earth's atmosphere and setting its course for the moon. It was a sight to behold, a testament to the heights of human ingenuity and ambition. And so, with the world watching, the Apollo 11 mission began its historic journey to the moon. This marked the beginning of an adventure that would forever change our understanding of space, our place within it, and what we as a species can achieve when we dare to dream. Once launched into the vast expanse of space, what did the journey to the moon entail, one might wonder? The journey of Apollo 11 was no ordinary trip. It was a journey that spanned over 200,000 miles, a distance that takes light just over a second to travel, but took the Apollo 11 crew about 76 hours. Upon leaving Earth's atmosphere, the Apollo 11 mission was not just a journey to the moon, but a journey into the unknown. It was a journey marked by the relentless hum of the spacecraft's engines, the eerie silence of space, and the ever-distant Earth shrinking behind them. Let's not forget the quiet hero of this journey, Michael Collins. While Armstrong and Aldrin were destined to step foot on the moon, Collins had a different role. He remained in orbit aboard the command module, Columbia, a responsibility that was no less critical. Alone in the vastness of space, his mission was to maintain Columbia's systems, keep communication lines open, and prepare for the critical task of reuniting with the lunar module after the moonwalk. Speaking of the lunar module, let's talk about the Eagle. Named after the national bird of the United States, the Eagle was a specialized spacecraft designed to carry Armstrong and Aldrin from the lunar orbit to the moon's surface. The Eagle was a marvel of engineering, equipped with the technology to navigate the moon's gravity, descend onto the lunar surface, and then ascend back to reunite with Columbia. The Eagle was not just a vehicle, but a symbol of human ingenuity, a symbol of the audacious ambition to put a man on the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin, nestled within the Eagle, were not just astronauts, they were pioneers, venturing into the unknown, ready to make history. With Collins in orbit and Armstrong and Aldrin in the Eagle, the stage was set for the first human steps on the moon. The journey had been long, the stakes high, but the crew of Apollo 11 were ready. They had traveled through the void, defying the odds, and now, they were on the cusp of making history. Imagine the tension, the anticipation, as the Eagle began its descent to the lunar surface. The air was thick with silent prayers and held breaths. The descent of the Eagle, the lunar module, was not just another space maneuver. It was a crucial moment in human history, a testament to our species' relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. As the lunar module descended, Armstrong and Aldrin found themselves in a precarious situation. The computer guiding the module was directing them towards a boulder-filled area. It was a dangerous landing site, but Armstrong, a seasoned pilot, remained calm under pressure. With the tranquility of a man simply parking his car, he took manual control of the Eagle, navigating over the perilous boulder field to a safer landing spot. Armstrong's voice floated through the radio waves back to Earth, steady and confident as he announced, "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." The words reverberated across the globe, reaching millions of ears glued to radios and televisions. It was a moment of collective triumph and relief. The world erupted in cheers and applause, celebrating the incredible achievement. It was more than just a successful landing. It was a moment that encapsulated the human spirit. The courage to venture into the unknown, the determination to overcome challenges, and the collective will to achieve what once seemed impossible. Armstrong and Aldrin, in their spacesuits and helmets, were more than astronauts. They were every person who had ever looked up at the night sky and wondered. The landing of the Eagle was a perfect blend of human courage and technological prowess. It was a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and sheer human determination. It was a moment that expanded our horizons, pushing the boundaries of what we believed was possible. With those words, Armstrong and Aldrin became the first humans to land on the moon. They stood on the edge of a new frontier, a testament to the limitless potential of the human spirit. The landing of the Eagle was not just a scientific achievement, it was a defining moment in human history, a giant leap for mankind. What does it feel like to step into the unknown, to tread where no human has before? Imagine the sensation of being Neil Armstrong stepping down the ladder of the lunar module Eagle. The anticipation, the excitement, the anxiety, all culminating in a moment that would etch itself into the annals of human history. As Armstrong descended, the world held its breath. Then, his foot touched the lunar surface. A surface untouched by human footprints now bore the mark of man. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," weren't just a statement of his personal achievement, but a declaration of humanity's collective triumph. The significance of this moment was monumental. It was a testament to human courage and ingenuity, a symbol of our ambition to reach beyond our grasp, to explore the unexplored. Armstrong wasn't just stepping onto the moon, he was stepping into a new era of human potential, a new realm of scientific discovery. Soon after, Buzz Aldrin joined Armstrong on the lunar surface, stepping down the ladder to become the second man to walk on the moon. Together, they moved in the lunar gravity, experiencing the moon's environment in a way no human had before. It was a surreal spectacle, two men moving about on a celestial body over 200,000 miles away from their home planet. These first steps weren't just about exploration or scientific advancement. They were about human achievement, about breaking barriers and pushing boundaries. Armstrong and Aldrin's footprints on the lunar surface symbolized the footprints of all humanity, stepping boldly into a future where the sky was no longer the limit. Their time on the moon was brief, yet their impact was immeasurable. They collected samples, conducted experiments, and left behind instruments that would continue to send data back to Earth, expanding our understanding of the moon and its composition. With their steps, they left not just footprints on the moon, but a lasting legacy on Earth. Their journey, their courage, their small step and giant leap continue to inspire us, reminding us of the incredible things we can achieve when we dare to dream and reach for the stars. With their mission accomplished, how did our lunar explorers return home? Well, it wasn't as simple as hopping in a car and driving back. Armstrong and Aldrin had to reboard the lunar module, Eagle, and ascend from the moon's surface. This was a delicate process requiring precise navigation and timing to rendezvous with Collins, who had been orbiting the moon in the command module, Columbia. Once the Eagle had successfully docked with Columbia, it was time for the return journey to Earth. But if you thought the journey to the moon was intense, the trip back was just as nerve-wracking. The spacecraft had to be carefully steered through the Earth's atmosphere at just the right angle. Too steep, and they would burn up. Too shallow, and they would bounce off into space. Thankfully, the crew's skill and the command module's heat shield held up, and Apollo 11 splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. But the legacy of Apollo 11 didn't end with their safe return. The mission brought back a treasure trove of lunar rocks and soil samples, many of which are still being studied today. These samples have given us invaluable insights into the moon's geology and the history of our solar system. And let's not forget the cultural impact of the Apollo moon landing. For the first time, humanity had ventured beyond our home planet and set foot on another celestial body. This achievement showed us what we're capable of when we work together towards a common goal. It inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and astronauts, and continues to inspire us today. The Apollo moon landing is more than just a historical event. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and determination, a testament to the power of science and technology, and a reminder of our endless capacity for exploration. The Apollo moon landing. a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of scientific progress, and a beacon of hope for future explorers.
We'll see you in the next video.